Hey, you want slow cooked lemon chicken? I want slow cooked lemon chicken. I still have a hangover to deal with, but I need to eat, so let's cook it now. Hey, Cookitnowguy. Since we have 5 hours to kill, you wanna get some burritos? My treat. Yeah. I can go get some burritos with you. Alright guys, I'll see you in 5 hours. Done! Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. This video was shot on June 10th of 2018, therefore marking the 1st year anniversary of Cookitnow. I'd like to thank you for joining me in this journey from 2017 to now. And I hope you, and yes, you, the viewer, join me in the journey from June 10th, 2018 to the next year. I'd like to thank Matt for letting me live rent-free here in this apartment and using this kitchen. And also, since I was out partying when I was in my little bunk, I have come up with the idea that I'll be doing some party dishes for you guys, so be sure to keep an eye open for that. And don't forget to go to my Facebook page. There you'll find more about me in there. I need to sign off because Matt's about to get to sleep so I can go work early in the morning. So this is Cookitnow signing off. And to you, a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.